Christmas tree. Wow, super cute. Hi everyone, this is Chef Neighbor, and today I'm gonna show you how to bake Christmas cookies. And let's get started. These are the ingredients you need: sugar, butter, eggs, vanilla, flour, and baking powder. First we have to mix baking powder and flour. Whisk them together and set aside. Sugar. The next is butter. Now let's cream the butter and sugar. For a few minutes until light and fluffy. Next is egg. And next is vanilla. Beat for a few minutes until fluffy. Now let's add the flour mixture. Now beat for a few minutes. Slowly press the button. Wow! Now add the remaining dry ingredients. It's for a few minutes and it's done! Smells like vanilla. Yeah, it's like this, but it will come all together. Now let's make the dough. Now I'll make this all together. It looks like a delicious Play-Doh. And also a cotton potato too. But it looks more squishier. It's squished already. I shouldn't, because I'm making something. It's not anything. It's a secret. Gonna not know what I'm doing. Now let's flatten the dough. Rock-a-bye, powder cake, bake Christmas. Bake me a cake and fast if you can. Roll it apart, rock it in a bake. Put it on the beef for baby and me. Since it's flat, ready to cut it. Lightly so it won't stick to the dough. Whee! Whee! Yay. Repeat the same process until you're done using all the dough. Look at my cookies. They're ready to bake. Just bake for 10 minutes. Let cool down for a few minutes. Cookies, I'm gonna eat it all up in my tummy. Yum, yum, yum. Just juk naman. Yum. Good. I think I did a good job. It's like cookies you could buy in the store.
Oh, wow.
Yummy. Trust me, it's so yummy and I'm not joking at all. Now let's make a snowman. Snowman. Wow. Snowman. These are my icings for decoration. Next is candy cane. Wow, so fun. Candy cane. Wow, candy cane.
Are you having fun?
Yeah. And a good job from asking me if you're having fun. Did you remember that I told you
Mm-hmm.
that? And now let's do the Christmas tree. Christmas tree, Christmas tree. I'm so excited, Christmas tree. Christmas tree, Christmas tree. I'm so excited, Christmas tree. Let's put the smile on Gingerbread Man. Yay! Wow, what's a nice square. Ta-da! My Christmas cookie! Look, my beautiful snowman. It's not perfect, but it's okay. I'm not perfect anyways.
That's cute, actually.
Of course, you could make every cookie different shape. And that's it for today. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye. Happy holiday. Which one should I try? Of course, this one. Of course, I want this one. That's so yummy. I cannot help it, guys. Can I eat it all?
Oh, no.